Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Confluence for UI documentation and component specs step by step clearly. Navigate to the Confluence space where your UI documentation is located. Log into your Confluence account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the space sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the space name to expand its contents if it is not already visible. Find the page or section that contains the UI documentation or component specifications you are interested in. Open that specific page by clicking on its title. Look for the Watch button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Watch button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Watch this page from the options provided. You will then receive notifications for any updates made to that page. If you want to monitor an entire space, return to the space sidebar. Click on the Watch button at the top of the space overview page. Choose Watch this space to stay updated on all pages within that space. Now, check your notification settings to ensure you receive alerts via email or in-app. Visit your user profile by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under the Notifications section, customize your preferences according to your needs. You are now all set to receive updates on UI documentation and component specs. Regularly check your notifications to stay informed about any changes or new additions. This will stop any further notifications from being sent to you regarding that content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.